cocaine?
Sure.
We're gonna go down to 10th Street to get it.
You can get it on Claremont.
You can get a flying biscuit on 10th Street.
Yeah, it's in the biscuits.
That's why it's so good.
Who tells you these lies?
Are we really gonna go in on Flying Biscuit? Is that gonna be the rant this week? Because I can get in on Flying Biscuit. Is that what you want to do?
We know
Is that
I'm
what
try for that shit. I stand by that shit.
Is that what you want to do? Are you recording?
Grits.
Are you recording? Flying Biscuit tastes like shit. I don't know how
No. Please don't say that because you're insulting shit.
That's true. At least shit has the stuff that you ate in it before that was delicious. Flying Biscuit tastes worse.
No.
Flying biscuit.
Dusty ass biscuit.
Flying biscuit tastes like horse shit wrapped in an AIDS taco. Deep fried in insanity. I mean, honestly, and the fact that they actually make money off this shit is what's killing me. And somebody told me to go to that bitch, and I was like, okay, I'll try it. And after I get done vomiting off the vegan special that they kept offering, and the waiter actually, hold up, shut your mouth and your ass. After the waiter was like, well, we do have the vegan, I almost jumped from my table and punched him in his throat. But then that would have been a hate crime.
Flying Biscuit is nothing but a bunch of vegan stuff wrapped up. It's like they absorbed vegan pride and just soaked it and put it into their food and just thought it was going to be something special.
Look, the one thing that Flying Biscuit is supposed to be good at, they fucking biscuits, was some dusty hard shit. I'm telling you, it was it was like the Flintstones biscuits, like
You ever left a Pillsbury?
Yes, they were. I swear,
Flintstone biscuit?
yes, I swear a brontosaurus is gonna come out and say it's a living, because he shat them shits out. Cause that's what that shit was.
What he's saying is
Them
he could have
shits
used the biscuits and started a fire with them.
Exactly. Them shit was dusty. Them shit was hard.
Not sit there.
In fact, them biscuits.
I just fucking did. Them shit was awful.
Fuck that. Them biscuits are biblical. Did you know that David used them shits to put down Goliath? This motherfucker. Larry, I don't like grits like that because it looks like.
Grits
wait.
Grits
No.
are
Okay,
awful.
I'll eat them every now and then, but the ones that look like
I don't eat 'em
look
at
like
all.
slimy camel spunk, served hot with the undertaste of grit, and I was like, "Are you kidding me right now? You actually putting this on my plate, and it's touching my bacon." You know,
You got bacon?
I'm gonna email an order right now.
What they call bacon. And then I went back, I tasted it, and it was like, oh, by the way, sir, I forgot to mention that is our turkey bacon. Yeah, lisp and all. So I kindly got up and said, wait right here. Found the nearest terrorist cell that I could find because I was about to, the hell I was about to unleash. Don't you ever disrespect my plate and my palate by putting some fucking turkey bacon on my plate. And I want you to defend that shit. Don't sit over there. Don't sit over there all happy-go-lucky.
I ate it. I loved it. I love the avocado mixed with the potatoes.
Mind you, this is also the
I
guy who...
also love their organic oatmeal pancakes with the peaches and the syrup on it, or with the organic maple syrup.
This is
on
the
it.
same guy who likes...
Their grits are amazing, the best shit ever. Their cranberry mixed with the biscuits is by far some.
There are
shit
gay
they
men that are
have.
gonna watch this and they're gonna say that's the gayest shit I ever heard. I promise
This
you.
is the same guy who probably loves to lick octopus tank.
What?
Octopus taint.
Octopus?
Octopus taint.
Octopus taint?
Octopus taint.
You talking about the ink?
No, taint. I'm talking about the area in between. Yeah.
That's a lot of legs.
That's
to
a
go
lot of legs to
between.
go. That is the point, sir. They're defending that shit. I'd rather go to IHOP and fuck Waffle House. Since we on the topic.
Let's say this.
No. I want this one. Waffle House is for the drunk and the fucking high. That is the only people who eat
You damn
that.
right it
That
is.
greasy ass spoon.
You damn right. And
got
I
the
go
nerve-
back.
No, you have the nerve to charge me $3.
You have the nerve to talk shit about the Wahoo Nation?
Fuck the Wahoe Nation.
Fuck you!
Fuck the Wahoe Nation. Fuck the griddle. Fuck the bitch who
No,
puts
no. Fuck you and your hating breakfast ass. Let me tell you something. You will not sit here and disrespect Waffle House. Waffle House has provided epic moments, great moments in history where I've doggone single-handedly displayed and nurtured my game at 3:47 a.m. in the morning over a motherfucking all-star breakfast.
The greatest achievement a Waffle House has ever achieved is the bitch twerking over the maple syrup.
And that's okay because it's Waffle House. You get that shit anywhere at your house?
And that is their
you can
only
go to
claim to
Waffle
fame.
House and get breakfast and see a nasty whore do some dumb shit over on the right
Oh,
side,
yeah.
and a gun fall out of a dude's pant leg
'Cause-
over there during the summertime over on the other corner, and then you can find out some other crazy shit that happens.
Because
and you can go home and mind your damn business.
And that's enjoyment?
Wait, no, I know.
It's Atlanta, damn it.
I know. And nothing says appetizing like ratchet bitch with a side of stale waffle. That makes me so hungry. And the syrup bottle that I just saw this 3-year-old kid lick, and this waitress know he just licked the syrup bottle and gonna pass it to me anyway. Oh, and to the bitch who gave me the fucking fork with the lipstick, and then turned around and gave me the problem, and then turned around and put her finger in my glass and said, "Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to give you that. Can I give you something else? You can give me another waitress, maybe one without the chin hair. Can you do that for me? Can you do that for me? Don't sit here and defend Waffle House.
I will.
Why? Why?
It's
I will
Waffle
too.
House.
I will too.
Yeah, you know, it's a Waffle House thing.
It's a Waffle
You
House.
never understand, Ken.
No.
Wait. This is somebody. Aren't you the same person that will eat a Luther?
Yes.
Aren't you the same person that eat bacon?
With pride.
Aren't you the same person that eat like the nastiest, junkiest shit 4 times out the week?
No. It's not even that. It's like, okay.
But you won't eat Waffle House bacon.
No, it's not even that. It's not even the
You
bacon.
won't eat Waffle House, period.
No, I wouldn't. I refuse to eat Waffle House.
You refuse to eat Waffle House.
I refuse to eat
but you
fucking
eat
Waffle
bacon.
House. What does that have to do?
Because they serve some of the best crispiest
That's
bacon here
like-
south of the Mason-Dixon line and east of the Mississippi River.
That's like saying, kid, you like pussy, but you won't go to a carnival to watch a clown.
Juicy J cannot say no to ratchet pussy. Can
Who
you?
the fuck is Juicy J? Who the fuck is Juicy J? Is that a real name? That is like, you cannot have that name in Midtown. You can't. Hey, what's your name? I'm Juicy J.
Alright, cut this. We're done. Fuck this. We are done.
That's a real fucking name.